In this video, I'm going to show you kung paano mag-create at mag-sign up ng free account mo sa Salveoworld. And we are starting right now. Naghahanap ka ba ng online negosyo? If yes, then you can start by subscribing and clicking the bell notification so you won't miss anything regarding the business opportunity of Salveoworld's Enegosyo, ang online negosyo na pambahay made easy talaga. Hi, I'm Alan De Leon and let's get started creating your free account sa Salveoworld. So, let's go now and proceed to my computer screen. So, all you have to do is click mo lang yung link na nandyan sa description na pinrovide ko dyan sa description area. So that's alandeleon.salveoworld.com. Okay? So here, dito ka magsa-sign up for free. All you have to do is to fill up mo lang yung name mo, email address, mobile number, and then your username. But before you proceed in signing up, maganda kung mapanood mo itong video na to for you to have an idea regarding sa business natin sa Salveoworld. You can also scroll down to read some of the information here. Also, nandito yung mga benefits of doing the Salveoworld business. Let's see, halimbawa is here. Ayan, I think this one. Salveoworld is a 100% hassle-free online business that has lead capture and sales pages, online sign-up form, built-in videos, online marketing materials, online ordering, centralized payment system, online activation. So, all of those things makukuha mo. So, just read through para magkaroon ka pa ng maraming information about Salveoworld. Now, these are the testimonies. As you can see, nandito ako. That's me. So, yan lang. Okay? So, let's proceed now in signing up. Alright? So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, gagawa ko ng dummy account. Okay? Kasi nakapag-sign up na ako. So, halimbawa is ipon man. Meron kasi ako isang YouTube channel na ang title is Ipon Man. Or nag-iipon, ibig sabihin. So, ito na lang yung ilalagay ko. So, may email address yun ako dyan. iponmantv@gmail.com. And then, mobile number. Okay. This one. Okay. So, lagyan na lang natin. Ang username is iponman. Yan. And then, password. Okay. Confirm password. Okay. Then, that's it. So, let's sign up. Okay, so I think this is a welcome message ng ating CEO, si CEO Rich Yanex. And then let's look for watch next video. Okay. Watch next video. Okay, so mapapansin mo meron siyang welcome video and it will discuss the business opportunity of Salveoworld. So, what I want you to do right now is, ang maganda mong gawin is before you proceed, before you look at the dashboard ng Salveoworld, kinakailangan mong pumunta sa email address mo. Kung ano yung binigay mong email kanina sa sign up, kailangan pumunta ka ngayon sa email address mo para i-confirm yung email address mo sa account mo. So, punta tayo ngayon sa email address ko. Yung binigay ko yung iponmantv@gmail.com. Okay? So, let's proceed. Okay, kung makikita mo, eto, Salveoworld, finish your Salveoworld registration. So, this is very important. Kinakailangan, after mo mag-sign up, you have to proceed sa email address mo para to complete your registration. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito is, Sabi ng email ni Salveoworld is, "Thank you for joining Salveoworld. We listed your sign up in details below. Make sure you keep them safe. To verify your email address, please follow this link." So, it's important that you click itong finish your registration. So, i-click natin. Once na i-click mo, you will be redirected back to your dashboard. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, on my next video, I'm going to tour you sa dashboard, yung mga functionalities ng Salveoworld dashboard mo. Ganun lang kadali mag-sign up or to create your free account sa Salveoworld. So, this is Coach Alan De Leon. I'll see you on the next video. Okay?